Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. So let us see how Nifty performed yesterday. So yesterday was the last trading session or day for the week. So it gave a good rally. You can see it almost 2.89%. So in one day it moved around 456 points. So if you see for the past weeks, past 5 days, so we started the week on 16th, right? So if you see, it started on 15,900 point. It moved all over way up to 16,380, came down to say 15,800, and again moved up to 16,280 points, 280 or two, closed at 16,266. So it's moving like anything crazy. So yesterday also the US market, the indices, you can see, it more or less ended in a flat kind of move. Ended in a flat kind, so it is only up by 0.028%. Dow Jones and S&P 500 is 0.015%, whereas Nasdaq is slightly negative 0.3%. So if I open the trading view, yes, let us launch the Nifty chart. To see, so here, if you let us delete this thing, and yes, so from 17th May to, if you see the change from 17th May to yesterday, it is only 2.28%, or yes, just 2.28% only. So it went down up to here 15,777, and again moved up here. So you can see here, let us delete this thing. You can see that it's a V-shaped recovery. You zoom in, so it's a V, right? So from here, V, and this thing. So there are certain kinds of recovery, so you can study that. I will maybe cover later those things. So it's called a V-shaped recovery. There is also W shape and other shapes of recovery, so you can study one of those. So till now the trend is not defined, because we have one green candle, then two red candles, again one green candle. So at least we have to see at least three candles of same color consecutive 3 trading sessions. So for example, so here if you can see, so that is also not perfect. So for example, you can see there is a big red candle here, the second red candle, it started with a gap down here, but then it moved a uh, slight green candle. But it is not a trend reversal, because after that also again 4 trading sessions it was consecutively red. So yes, so that is the thing. So there are certain kinds of candlestick patterns you can study. So it will be long, I will be not covering in this video. Maybe later at some point of time we'll cover. So for example, if you want to start investing here, still there is a around 9.64 or 10% chance, 10% of gain, 10% gain you can make on the Nifty index. So yes, similarly the other things. Okay, so the main why is the reason? So it was a completely bearish move the day before yesterday, and yesterday it was a bullish move. So what is the reason? So the reason I found out on the internet, that China home loan interest rate has decreased. So yes, so this is you can see, for example, yes. So China banks cut key rates by record boosting to boost the economy. So for example, the it's has been reduced to 4.45% from 4.6%. So they have reduced the home loan. So that is the thing. So that is the main reason what I searched in the internet and found out to be the main reason why the market were bullish. So not only Indian market, all the Asian markets, European markets, everything went up. So that is the thing. Here also I think most of Yes, also the lockdowns are getting, I think, relaxed in China, and they are moving to a normal thing without any quarantine and lockdown, not strict lockdown. So what I heard about this thing. Okay, so that was the main reason. So not only the Nifty index, the Nifty, if you see the Nifty IT, yes. So if you see the Nifty IT, so yesterday it started here, right? So it 20,003, but it moved certain up, not a green candle, but it recovered from that thing. And if you see the Nifty bank index, so it give a, so it is also, you can see a V-shaped recovery. So it's green to, it's a V like this, right? So it's a V-shaped recovery. So it wherever it ended on the last day, 17th May, it again the 1, 2, 3, 4 trading sessions, we again ended in the same position. So this is how the market is moving. So it's too much volatile. Every day 200, 300 points is moving up and down. So let us look how the mutual fund index thing is working. So yes, so last day, if you remember, it was minus 300 or something, if I remember correctly. And today it's again, before that it was plus 500 something, again it came to plus 500 something. So it's moving like this thing. So so I thought, so I told you that if it is moves further down, let's go back to the Nifty one. Yes. So so I told that if it goes back from here further down, then I will invest more. But it went up, so I will again observe. So if it is more further, it's I will observe 1 or 2 Monday, Tuesday I will observe, and then maybe invest again one more a slot of my money into the index funds. So mostly I will be trading in that. So that is the strategy for now. So I have maxed out almost what I wanted to invest in the individual stocks. So maybe I will show you that later. What I have in the individual stocks. Currently, I'm not buying any individual stocks. So I mostly focused in trading into the Nifty one, the Nifty index. So yes, so that is the thing. Let us see if we have any other news. Okay, so NTPC Q4 results came. So yes, it's a good result. It's a year-on-year rise of 12% in profit to 52 5200 crore. So EBITDA of the company stood at 11,426 crore in Q4, which was this a year ago. So it was a, yes, good. And margin jumped to 31% from 26%, which was the last year. I think the results are good. Yes, so because of that, it moved, I think, it 1.08% on Friday, yesterday. So that is the thing. Anything else, if I can see? Yes, more or less this much only. So yes, so till now, as I told before, till now there is I can't say whether the market is in a recovery mode or not. So because you have to see at least 2-3 candles consecutive green, then we can say something. So yes, so let us hope it moves up from here. Yeah. So more or less that is the thing. So thank you for watching.